This is my cheapy Neostar CD, vinyl and cassette turntable. Now, I did a video where I fixed this because this was in a job lot of electronic items that didn't know too much about the history about, but I didn't at the time fix the noise from this motor, so I'll just show you what it's like. This is the motor that drives the drive bout on the turntable. See how loud this is. And it's even louder when this is on. So this is the actual plastic part which holds the bout tight. So that adds more noise to it, and it's not a very good solution. So I've got a little bit of sewing machine oil. I'm just going to try dropping maybe a couple of drops in here. Ooh, more than a couple. Let's just try that again. Gosh, it's gone so quiet. That's got to work its way in as well. Leave that on for a bit, and then I will dry up the residue, put it all back together and see how quiet it is then. Isn't that quiet? Looking good. It's definitely a lot quieter. But it's a little bit noisy still. But probably as good as I can get it for now.